Welcome to IBITech Solutions Orleans. Today I will show you screen replacement on an iPhone 7. This is harder than it looks like. Remember to watch the video all the way through before you dive into your own repair. Turn off the phone, and at the bottom of the screen there are two pentalobe screws, the same ones Apple always use. I found it's easier to use thin metal spray tool, slimming it between the metal of the phone and the plastic frame of the screen. Then gently twisted the tool to pry up the screen in controlled way. There are few ribbon cables along the right of the phone that extremely fragile, so don't put any stress on them whatsoever. Your phone will not be water resisting anymore after replacing the screen, but a cracked screen is not water resistant either. Now, unfold the screen like a book, and you will see the fragile ribbon cables that I was telling you. This metal plate protects connections to the main board. It's held down by four Y-shaped screws called tri-point or Y00. I unplugged the battery ribbon first and then the two screen ribbon right next to it. We have another metal plate held down by two screws. This is protecting the backlight cables. The screen made up of some components, and these components need to transfer over your new screen. To start transfer the components, we need to remove the top plate. There are four screws holding down the earpiece brackets. Then the earpiece will pop out and you can see separating contact points in the top of it. This is how it's received signals. Then the front camera, remove the ribbon cable that it's glued to the plastic frame of the screen. Under the home button, there are total of 4 screws. Remember, keep them organized. Now the huge metal plate, remove it from the back of the screen. There are 3 tri-tip screens in either side. The home button or the touchpad can be removed by unclip the little connection. Then remove the back metal with a little bit of heat if you want. It's a good idea to go slow on this. Now the big back metal be removed. Now we will start to transfer the components to the new screen. Then put your original home button from your old phone up to the hole, then plug it in. Put back the connection of the home button. Make sure it clips. Line the metal back within the little screws on 2 sides. Then the camera ribbon, then the top will go on the earpiece screws, the 5 screws. Now connect the screen, plug in the 3 ribbon cables on the motherboard, then the battery cable. Test the screen out before you screw everything back in. If your screen is dark or has lines on them or doesn't respond to touch, it's either the bad connection with the main board or it's just a bad replacement screen. I replaced the plates and screwed them. Remember, when you finish up, don't press too hard or you will crack your new screen. Thank you for watching IBITech team.